Imagine unboxing a motherboard and finding a wine opener, a thermos cup, and a memory cover that's more function over fashion. That's exactly what Gigabyte's new X870E AORUS XTREME X3D AI top motherboard brings to the table, literally. Published on October 30th, 2025 by Ycry, this flagship board for AMD AM5 CPUs is turning heads, not just for its high-end specs, but for its unconventional accessory kit. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about the board, it's about the statement Gigabyte is making in the tech world. Benchlife has given us the world's first look at this yet-to-be-released motherboard, which was teased at Computex but hasn't even made it to Gigabyte's official website. The unboxing experience is nothing short of theatrical. The packaging is massive, even larger than the C621 AORUS XTREME's box, with layered compartments that open like a tech-savvy treasure chest. But here's where it gets controversial. Alongside the motherboard, you'll find a 375ml thermos cup, a wine opener, yes, Benchlife called it a knife, and a suite of hardware add-ons that blur the line between practical and over-the-top. Among these add-ons are a CPU anti-bending frame, a USB-C DAC, and dedicated heatsinks for M.2 SSDs and DDR5 memory. The memory cover, in particular, is designed to either cool or conceal ugly memory modules, a bold move that's sure to spark debate. Meanwhile, the M.2 heatsink comes with its own built-in fan, powered by a hidden Poco pin connector. Benchlife tested the setup with Corsair's Dominator titanium memory, confirming a perfect fit without clearance issues. But here's the real question. Is this motherboard for the average DIY builder, or is it a $1,000 plus showpiece for influencers? While the media is already buzzing with reviews, there's still no official word on pricing or release date. Flagship boards like these often serve as tech showcases rather than practical builds, unless you've got deep pockets. And this is where it gets even more intriguing. Gigabyte seems to be betting on the idea that tech enthusiasts don't just want performance. They want conversation starters. So what do you think? Is Gigabyte's unconventional approach a stroke of genius, or a step too far? Let us know in the comments. We're eager to hear your take on this bold new entry into the motherboard market. Source: Benchlife. https://benchlife.info/Gigabyte X870E AORUS XTREME X3D AI-top-motherboard-unbox.